Hi, my name is Tom Adams, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. I'm really glad you're here. We do a lot of different stuff on the YouTube channel, and it includes some of the training I do. It also includes some podcasts that I'm involved in. It includes random trainings, random lives, a whole bunch of different things. And really, ultimately, what I want you to do is get something of value here. My chief ambition and goal is to really help you to thrive. And if you can get something from that, that would be great. So if you want to subscribe, that would even be better. Subscribe to my channel, and then you'll get notified when new shows show up in your feed, in your YouTube feed. So again, thank you for being here. I appreciate the fact that you've shown up in my world, and I hope that by showing up in my world that you get some small benefit as a part of that. I know there's so many options available to you, incredibly smart and intelligent people on this platform, and I'm really grateful that you'd give me a little glimpse, a little bit of time, a glimmer of focus, and because of that, I'm really grateful to you, and I want to encourage you to have a great and amazing day. Thanks for being here. We'll talk soon.